Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Prithviraj. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about organizing files in the Python. So let's get started. So basically in this session, we'll be discussing about the util module and navigating directories and compressing files with a zip file module. So to begin with, so what is Python? So Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guillaume van Rousseau and it was launched in the year of 1991. And it is widely used in the most of the areas of the programming and computer science. So they are mostly used in the web development. On the server side, it can be in the front end or the back end, and it is used in the software development, and it is used in the mathematics field and even in the system scripting. Then to start with the util module, so the word util stands for the shell utilities, and it is used to perform various file related tasks such as copying, moving, renaming and deleting files and directories. So the util module, right, it provides various functions for effective efficient management of files and directories in Python. So if you want to take a example of this, so with this program, we'll be copying a file from one file to another file, which means the contents of one file to another file. So let's go to the code. So we'll be importing the module that is called a util module, that is called shell utilities. Then in the second line, we have mentioned the location of the source file. And in the third line, we have mentioned the destination folder. So the contents of one file will be transferred to another file. So imagine you have a file named A, and if you want to transfer the contents to a file named B, so all the contents present in the file A will be copied to file B. So similarly, we have for the example 2. In this example, we'll be taking a look at moving the contents of the file. So similarly, we import the util module. Then we mention the source, destination, and the destination folders. So that is the source file and the destination folders path. So basically what it does is instead of the previous example what we saw, that the contents will be copied from one file to another, but basically here we are shifting the entire contents from one location to another. So imagine this blue color square box is C drive and this red color square box is D drive. So basically what you do is you transfer all the content from the C drive to D drive. So this is how the move option works with the help of util module. Then we have navigating directory trees. So to do this task, we use a module named called as OS module. So what this OS basically stands for is operating system module. So this module in Python provides functions to navigate and interact with the file system, and it also contains many useful functions related to the file names and file paths. So some function for the navigating directory trees include like os.getCwd. So what this module does is it returns the current working directory as a string. Then we have the second example, that is os.chdr. So this changes the current working directory to the specified path. Then we have os.remove of path. It removes a file from a specified path. So imagine if you want to remove some file from a D drive. So you can do that with the help of this os.remove.path. So then we have os.rmdir. So it removes the current working or the removes an empty directory with a specified path. So then we have some programming example. So here the first thing we are doing is we are importing the OS module, so which is very much important for this program. Then we are having the first program here. So get the current working directory. So this is the two lines which we can use to return the current working directory. So I have mentioned the keyword that is os.getCwd. So with the help of this keyword or the module, we can return the current working directory of the program. So similarly, we have list files in the current directory. So what this module does is it returns the current files which are present in the directory. So for this operation to work, we are using os.list directory as the module. So the third topic, we have compressing files with the zip file module. So zip file is basically the compressed version of the original file. So when we use a zip file, right? So zip file is mostly used in the cases like imagine you have a like very large file that's of like 16 GB and you want a portable version of it. So and if you want to store it in some hard disk or something. So if you want to store it in an efficient way, the file size should be less, right? So the 16 GB file will be compressed to somewhat on like 8 GB or 2 GB. So in those cases, we use a zip file module. So that is basically for compressing the version of an original file. So then let's see how the programming works. So here we are creating a zip file. So similarly, we are importing the zip file module. Then in the second line, we have named our file name, that is my underscore archive.zip. So, and we are opening it in a write mode. So when it comes to modes, we basically have like three types. There can be read mode, write mode, or append mode. So we are choosing the write mode as the option. So in the third line, what we are doing is my underscore zip dot write file.txt. So I am inserting a file.txt format file. So this file will be compressed and it will be stored in my zip file. So similarly, we have another file that is a image file. So even the same image file will be compressed and will be stored. So we are heading to a second program here. So extracting files from a zip archive. So similarly, again we import the zip file module. Then we have mentioned the file name. So and this time we'll be opening it in a read mode. Last time we have seen that we have opened it in a write mode, but in this case just will be extracting the files. We won't write anything onto it. So we'll be opening it in a read mode. So then I'm mentioning my location, then I'm moving it to a new folder, that is extracted underscore folder is there, right? So it is the folder from which the compressed files will be extracted to this new folder. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, hit the like button and do subscribe. Thank you.